Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to check a document for plagiarism or similarity through Turnitin. So in my previous video I had showed you how to set up an instructor account in Turnitin, but today we'll be looking at how to actually check a document through Turnitin, and we'll be looking at the feedback studio and how to interpret the settings of the feedback studio and how to understand the difference between similarity and plagiarism. So what I will do is I will just go to the Turnitin website and I will log into it. So once the login page comes, my login is already saved. So without any further ado, I will just log into the Turnitin. Now in my previous video I had shown you that I've made an assignment by the name of medical. So I will just go to that medical, and if you just look at here, it's written more actions. So I will click on more actions and I will click on submit. So once I click on submit, this is how it actually shows a single file upload. So what I will do is I will just write the name. I will just write the name of the student whose paper I'm checking for similarity and plagiarism. So the title of the manuscript was vitamin D, so I'll just write vitamin D, and then you have to choose where this document is saved in your computer. So the document was, let me just search for it. Here it is. So I've selected this, the document that I want to check, and then I will click on upload. So once I click on upload, it will show you the preview page. It will show you the author and then assignment, and will actually let you check if this is the document, if this is the document that you want to check. So if you see this document in the preview and if you approve that, then all you have to do is to click on the confirm button. So once I click on the confirm, it will say that it has been submitted, and you can go to the assignment inbox. So I will just click on the assignment inbox. So here's this the one above. It is not showing any similarity here. Why? Because it has just been submitted. It usually takes around 4 to 5 minutes for the similarity report to be generated. So in order to save time, I have already uploaded it before, and the similarity is showing here as 31%. So usually it has a color code as well. So when it is above 20%, it usually shows a yellow sign, and if it is above 50, then it shows around red, and the green is below 20 and below. So if you just click on, there's an exclamation mark, and this exclamation mark is saying that you have actually excluded the bibliographic material, which are the references, and 15% of the text in this paper is actually include the references. Now this is completely acceptable. So let's look at this report. So I'll just click on the 31%. So once I click on the 31%, a pop-up appears, and this pop-up is actually the feedback studio. And this feedback studio, if you just see on the right hand side, the blue options, they show us the ETS, which is the English Language Testing Services, and the red one here are actually similarity tools. So I will just click on the similarity tools here, and it will show me that the similarity index is 31%. So I'll just click on the 31, and it will show me now what it is actually showing is that how it is 31%. So the cumulative 31% is from 6% is from an article that is of a student paper that has been submitted to Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, and the rest are below. Now those that have been submitted to HSC, you can't actually see the author where it has been submitted, but it is submitted as a student paper. Now if I click on BMC Oral Health, and it is showing me that this Department of Oral Biology and Islamabad Institute of Oral Health Sciences, it is catching it as similarity. So this isn't really similarity, this isn't really plagiarism. So although it is similarity but it's not plagiarism, you can actually delete these and you can check the document. So if I just go below, now it is saying it is catching to determine the theorem, uh, and it is not actually similarity. I mean, it's a little bit of similarity, but it's not any plagiarism. Usually 1% and less than 1% are not actually plagiarism. So they're just catching random words that are found in other articles. Now it has got a sentence here that there's a high prevalence of vitamin D deficiency, and if you want to check where exactly it is catching it from, then you just click on the website here, and it will take you to the website where this article has been published, and it actually shows you where you have copied it from. But since we didn't copy it from anywhere, only the sentences are being catched, so it's not really plagiarism. So once if you want to see this offline, there you can just click on this arrow here, and it will show you three options. So the option that you should select is current view. Why? Because this is the view in which you actually want to see this report. Usually in most universities they ask for the last page that actually shows you the breakdown, and this breakdown can be seen if you click on and the breakdown is very similar to this match overview. So once you download it, you will be able to see that as well. So the other thing is digital receipt. Some institutions, they ask you to click on digital receipt and to send them the digital receipt that it has been checked through Turnitin. So these are the options how you can actually see it. Now I have downloaded both the offline paper and the digital receipt. Now I will be showing you both of these and how it actually looks like offline in a PDF document. So this is how it actually looks like. So there are different color codings for it, and the different color coding are matching from where the source. So I'll just scroll down to the last page where these are actually showing. So this is the actual paper that they want, the total similarity index, and then the sources from where it has been copied are similar to that. These are the internet sources, publications, and 9% is student papers. And these are the different color codings. Now I'll go back to the digital receipt and how to interpret a digital receipt. So this is a digital receipt that actually shows you that a paper has been submitted and checked through Turnitin, and this is submission ID that you have actually checked it. It doesn't actually show you the similarity index, but this is just a requirement by the institution. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching this video.